So we are here now at grade 10 mathematics. And then this is the first quarter and then the first topic or lesson, which is the generating patterns in sequences. So first, what is sequence? Sequence is a set of elements that follows a pattern where order is important. And then pag merong ibig sabihin ng sequence, ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod. So for example, I have here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. And then what is the next term? Okay, so the next term is 36. And what is the pattern? So the pattern is the perfect square number. So kung di nyo napansin nyo, itong mga number na yan is perfect square numbers. Diba? So ayun lang po. Madali lang yung sequence. Pag alam nyo yung pattern, obserbahan nyo lang. Okay, next. I have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What is the next term? Napakadali. Of course, that is 12. So the pattern is added by 2. Okay po, very good. So ayan po yung sequences. Pag alam niyo yung pattern, malalaman niyo na agad yung sagot or yung next term. So meron po tayong tinatawag na infinite sequence and then the finite sequence. So pag sinabing infinite sequence, ito yung hindi mo ma-determine kung hanggang kailan ka tatapos. So for example, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then meron tayong tatlong dots dyan. Tatlo. So itong tatlong dots na yan, ang tawag po dyan is ellipsis. So pag may nakita kayong dot sa dulo, tatlong dot, at wala kayong nakitang number kung saan tatapos, ang tawag po sa sequence nito ay, ang tawag po natin dyan is the infinite sequence. Infinite, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka tatapos. So bilang ka lang ng bilang dyan, walang katapusan. And then yung finite sequence po, ito yung merong katapusan or may binigay na term kung hanggang kailan ka tatapos magbilang. So I have here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So meron kayo nakitang tatlong dot but binigay kung kailan kayo tatapos. So tatapos daw kayo ng pagbibilang hanggang 10. Okay po. So now, itong sequence na to, matatawag natin to na finite sequence or a sub 10. Okay po. So hanggang a sub 10 daw kayo magtatapos na magbilang or hanggang pang 10th term. So ayun po yung tinatawag na infinite sequence and then the finite sequence. Pag infinite, walang katapusan yung pagbibilang. And then sa finite, may binigay na term kung hanggang kailan kayo tatapos. So ano ba yung term? Okay, so now let us discuss the terms. Okay, so ano yung term? What is term? So I have here a sequence. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So ang tawag po natin dito sa 2 na to, that is the first term. And then itong 4, that is the second term. And then itong 6, that is the third term. Itong 8 is the fourth term. And itong last is the fifth term. Okay po. So ayan po yung term. Hindi natin matatawag na kunwari kung ang first term natin is 2. That is second term. Hindi po. Hindi ito yon. Yung mismong order, yung kung itong 2, yan yung nasa una. So meaning siya yung first sa yung first term. Yung pangalawang yung kasunod niya, yung pangalawang term, that is the second term. And then yung pangatlong term, third term, pang-apat is fourth, and then yung panglima is fifth term. Okay po. So that is the term. Ayun po yung term na tinatawag. Kasi mahalaga po yung term. Kasi sa mga susunod na topic natin, magagamit natin yan. Or yung term po, nagde-denote yan as N. Okay po. So, ayun lang po. Sa video na to, diniscuss ko lang yung illustration ng terms. Sa next topic is solve na tayo ng 5 terms using the given the general term. So, thank you.